Hey there DIY Ninjas, it's Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja and we are on Ask a Ninja number 52. Wow, we've been doing these Ask a Ninjas since July of 2018 and I really appreciate all of you out there submitting these Ask a Ninja questions. If you want to submit your question, I'm going to put a link down below so you can ask us whatever you like about your attic, basement, crawl space, or ductwork. And if you're new to our channel, we try to cover everything about air quality and efficiency in those 4 areas of your house. They seem to be overlooked by most contractors. So if you're wanting to know more about how to fix those areas of your home, improve your air quality and your energy efficiency, make sure you subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell. Okay, so this Ask a Ninja comes from Anthony in Russellville, Kentucky. And he said, I've been watching and really appreciate your YouTube videos. As a matter of fact, he was able to encapsulate his own crawl space watching our YouTube videos. Thank you so much, Anthony. We really appreciate you and appreciate all of you out there that support our channel. So his question is, okay, he's already encapsulated. He's wanting to know, what dehumidifier do we recommend? Now, Anthony, if you've been watching our channel at any time at all, you know that I am a staunch believer and loyal to the Aprilaire brand of dehumidifiers. I've used many other brands in the past, and for us, for what we do, the Aprilaire brand is the best, okay? Now, we do install them. We have less callbacks due to them and all that sort of thing. So the Aprilaire 1820, 1830, and 1850, depending on what size crawl space you have, is what I would recommend. But he also had a follow-up question. By the way, if you're interested in learning more about the Aprilaire, I'm going to put a link down below. And if you find this information useful, hope you'll like this video down below too. So he had another question about, have I ever heard of the BaseAire AirWerx Dehumidifier? And I'll be honest, Anthony, before I read your Ask a Ninja, I was not familiar with that brand. So I got on the internet, got on Amazon, got on their website, checked them out. I still have never touched one or anything, but I did a little bit of research. They seem to be based out of England, from what I could tell. They have a 5-year warranty. You can buy direct from BaseAire or you can buy from Amazon. I'm going to put a link to the BaseAire AirWerx Dehumidifiers down below. If you're interested in maybe looking at that dehumidifier, you can check it out. But basically, they have several models from a 55 pint to 140 pint dehumidifier, ranging in price from around $800 to around $1,300. Now, Anthony, I'm not sure about BaseAire's customer service if anything ever goes wrong. That is why we love Aprilaire. If you have a problem with the Aprilaire unit, it's a bumper to bumper warranty. If you have any problems with the Aprilaire dehumidifier, they will actually replace the model. And if, let's say you're 4 years down the road, dehumidifier messes up, it's not something you can fix or get fixed by a local Aprilaire representative, then they will swap that dehumidifier out, and that warranty starts when you get that new dehumidifier. So you get another 5-year warranty after it's been replaced. And that to me is amazing. So as long as BaseAire has that kind of service, I would recommend it, because everybody loves getting a good deal, and sometimes you sacrifice service with price. Okay, just keep that in mind. If you've watched this channel, you've seen me preach on that over and over. But let me tell you a red flag I found about the BaseAire. If you look on Amazon, you can see there's a BaseAire 55 and an Aprilaire 55. I'm also going to put a link to the Aprilaire down below. They are exactly the same unit. Now, to me, that's a red flag. That means they're probably being manufactured overseas, and who knows what kind of manufacturing processes they have and all that sort of thing. The Aprilaire is made here in America, manufactured here in America by an American-owned company, And when you've got, and there's no, Aprilaire doesn't rebrand and resell their dehus to anybody else. It's an Aprilaire or it's nothing. So when I see a dehumidifier that the models and everything are different, the names are different, but the dehumidifiers are exactly the same, that to me is a little bit of a red flag, okay? So check them out. By the way, the Aprilaire Air is almost $100 more than the BaseAire, and they seem to be the exact same unit. So anyway, Anthony, if you decide to go with the BaseAire or the Aprilaire Air, just let us know how that goes. Is it good? Is it performing well? And all that sort of thing. We'd love to hear some feedback from you. And again, make sure you like this video. Make sure you send in your Ask a Ninja questions. And my name is Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja, and we hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.